In this video, I'll show you how to create supplier's price list, that is, to define the supplier prices for the goods and services provided. These prices will automatically populate to the purchasing documents. You can compare the item prices from different suppliers and set up as required. To access the supplier price entering document list, go to Purchasing module, open Supplier's price entering from Servicing tools. To manually create a new document, click the Create button on the toolbar. Once the form opens, specify the general information about the prices of specific price type set by the selected supplier. Specify the details on all required fields. In the company field, you can select a supplier company from the master data. In the supplier's price type field, select the price type for the prices. If you leave this field empty, you will need to specify the price type for each prices on the price tab. In our example, I'll choose from the list available or create a new price type if required. Add the company, the price currency, the description, and enable the option Price Include VAT if the prices includes the VAT. Once done, click Save and Close. The From field is populated automatically with the current business date. You can select another date from which these prices are in effect. Optionally, in the To field, you can specify the end date for these prices if known. In the comment text box, you can provide any additional information on these prices. Once the main tab is filled, move on to the price tab. Here you can create a list of items with prices of the selected price type. You can populate the list by importing the data from the price list available from the supplier using this import from Excel sheet. To work with such feature, configuration needs to be done in the database. To add an item, click on Add option. Choose the item from the drop-down. In the characteristics column, you can specify additional properties such as size and color of each listed item if the Use Characteristics option is selected for the item under the master data. If it's not selected, characteristics is not required. In the unit of measure column, you can select an unit of measure for the item if the multiple unit of measure per item option is enabled. The currency column is automatically populated with the currency specified for the selected price type, that is, the price type added in the main tab. Use the price column to enter the price of this item. Checkboxes in the A, that is actual column, are selected by default. If you clear a checkbox for any item, its price will not be used by the system. Once the price tab is filled, check the details and post the document. By this way, supplier's price list is created and will appear automatically in the documents. Let me show you an example of an invoice received. Go to Purchasing module, open Invoice Received document, click on Create option to create a new document, and fill the main tab as required. That is, choose the company, the contract, the transaction type, the entity, the warehouse, and most importantly, the supplier price type. Once done, move on to the Inventory tab and choose the item. Once done, you can see the price will be filled automatically. Similarly, it will work in the same way for the other purchasing documents. Thanks for watching the video.